The Ultimate series represents the top of the line in rail maintenance equipment. They are some of the most powerful machines on Australian railways, delivering diverse functionality with high turnout speeds.
Ultimate series machines will get the job done well and done quickly. They have a track record for delivering some of the highest outputs during the fastest close down periods in the industry. Whether you're in the metro, heavy haul, a light country rail network, or even a dual gauge complex junction environment, these machines are equipped with what you need to fix even the most complex junctions all the way through.
With Brimble's custom HMI technology, we've replaced historically complex systems of the past in favour of technology that's easy to use and offers greater control and efficiency. What used to take 3 people to operate now takes 1.
This means fewer communication hold-ups, more spotters on the ground, and the quicker we can move these machines through critical areas.